Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be testing the effectiveness of a camera-mounted dead cat style windscreen. I have here the unpronounceable VIERYCIY Fur Windscreen, but this is just one of many copycat items from the random letter Chinese sellers that flood Amazon. This particular item has 4.5 stars, but fake reviews are so rife on this website that scores are meaningless. And Amazon themselves have supported this over the years by putting more and more steps in the way to filter by critical reviews. The one critical review here warns of poor adhesion and muffled audio. Let's test for ourselves how this stick-on muff cuts wind noise on a Canon R7 and compare it to a homemade foam screen cut from a block of insulation that I'd been using up to this point. Opening the product packaging, we have the muffs and the supporting double-sided tape in separate baggies. The tape itself is actually quite easy to apply, and despite the uneven surface on this camera, I was able to conform it more or less. The muff itself was already shedding hairs, so I would not expect a long lifespan out of these, which is likely why 8 were provided. A single muff was able to cover both the microphone ports on this R7, but you may have to use more than one depending on your own camera's arrangement. I'm testing the efficacy with a multi-speed air filter aimed directly at the camera's microphones, while panning the camera to test a variety of angles. The tilt and height of the supporting tripod do not move, so the same exact positions are tested with each configuration of the various wind blockers. We'll start with the bare microphone and end with a fur windscreen. Low. Medium. High. Low. Medium. High. Low. Medium. High. As you could see in here, the do-it-yourself foam block cut back on the noise substantially compared to the bare microphone, but didn't eliminate it like the fur windscreen nearly did. If you film outdoors and find your camera's internal microphone to be good enough audio quality, I would indeed recommend acquiring and attaching some form of this style of dead cat. This particular brand, however, as that one critical review warned, did not stay adhered well, and after less than 24 hours I was already able to lift the muff off the provided tape with the gentlest of efforts. I imagine this would almost immediately be ripped off inside a camera bag, so if you do choose one of these Chinese Amazon muff kits, try to find one with actual usable tape, or be prepared to provide your own or buttress the provided ones with glue. I hope you found my video useful, and if you did, feel free to like, comment, and/or subscribe, and also check out my other camera-related videos.